Dating back over 2,000 years, the mechanism predicted eclipses, tracked planetary movements, and marked Olympic cycles. Its complexity rivals modern clocks, yet it was built centuries before such technology was thought possible. How could ancient Greeks, with simple tools, create a machine so advanced? It has been called the world's first computer. The Antikythera Mechanism still challenges our assumptions about ancient innovation.
Some believe it was crafted by a forgotten genius. Others think it was knowledge lost to time. No other device like it has ever been found. Was it part of a greater tradition of ancient science, or a one-of-a-kind miracle? The Antikythera Mechanism remains a puzzle carved in bronze. Proof that history still hides secrets beyond imagination, waiting to be rediscovered.
In 1901, off the coast of Greece, divers exploring a Roman shipwreck found a strange, corroded lump of bronze. At first, it looked like debris, another piece of wreckage swallowed by the sea. But hidden inside were gears so precise they stunned historians and challenged what we knew of ancient technology. That mysterious device would be named the Antikythera Mechanism, a relic unlike anything else from the ancient world. A gateway to the cosmos, built centuries before modern clocks and still inspiring wonder today.